Krishna, yesterday class you have the recording.
Hello.
Yeah, Krishna.
Okay, my voice is audible.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I was muted.
No, no.
Okay, so whatever I have covered, whatever you have heard, whatever is last topic I have told.
Actually, just wanted to know if for the study class you have the recording, so I can go through the recording and I'll catch up all the things.
Recording study session. I forget to record that session. Okay, so actually just I have revised. Just I am actually I was muted, and I am doing revision all the topic. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So
So,
like
if you able to send me this text now, so I will go through that all
yeah,
the
I have
topics. No need
already
to.
no, I have already shared the document in a WhatsApp group yesterday. That is all unit. So in this their topic, everything is given with the picture. Okay. So
Okay, okay.
normally yesterday I have discussed about the how to create organizational structure under different objects like org unit, job, position, person, task, and cost center. Like org unit TCS Private Limited, one org unit. Under TCS, we need to be create the position CEO. Then again under TCS India Private Limited, two part. One is Hyderabad TCS, Bangalore TCS. Under Hyderabad TCS again we need to be create the one position as a vice president. Under Hyderabad, two office J Hills and B Hills. Under J Hills, general manager, B Hills under general manager, HR department, FI department, sales department, IT department. So this is a org unit normally we need to be creating SAP SM system. So Rajashri can do one thing, please share your screen. So I will show how to create this org unit. Okay. There are two methods to create
Yeah,
org
yeah.
unit. One is simple maintenance method, and another one is expert mode. Using simple maintenance, we used single T code to create all the object in same screen. And in expert mode, we use separate transaction code to create the separate object of organizational structure. That's the difference between simple maintenance and expert mode. So study session I have covered about the simple maintenance. Okay, so please share a screen. I will show how to create the
Okay.
org unit using simple maintenance. Okay. Please share your screen.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Can you please go on your means? Can you please turn off your sharing screen so I can share my screen?
Okay. You're not.
It's showing host disable participate screen sharing.
No, which one is your name? Your two name is showing. I have made you to second one.
Give me first man host. Just give me one
No, I
minute.
have already make. So where you are talking that thing? That transaction I have make the host. Already showing host. Type again. Share.
Give me the host. Means give me the access of the Abhishek. That is my laptop
Okay,
ID.
okay. So Abhishek. Okay. So now I'm going.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I make you host. Give me request. Remote control. Yep. So now I'm going to create SAP SM using simple maintenance. T code is PPOCE already in that document is given. Whatever you were reading.
Document, yes, yes.
Like now I'm going to create the new org unit. Okay, and sorry, a new org unit. So according to the date. Okay. So we have created. Yeah. So here, for example, name. I'm going to use the name of the company. Okay. What is your personal action you have created? Which name you have created the personal action? What is the
Raj
name of
Lakshmi.
Raj Lakshmi? You have using any company name, Big Bazaar like that?
Raj Lakshmi Technology.
Okay, Raj Lakshmi. So I'm going to be Raj Lakshmi Technology TCH. Okay. This is the name of the org unit I'm going to create. What is the name is RHLXM minor?
Yes, yes.
Lakshmi Private Limited.